So, ito guys, Domino's Pizza. Nag-order yung aking asawa kasi na-craving siya ng pizza. So, ngayon mag-mukbang kami dalawa. Hawaiian pizza and pepperoni. So, let's eat guys. So guys, dito kami sa balcony dito kami sa balcony kumain. Mangmukbang kami ng pizza. So, ang kanya is pepperoni. So, ito naman ang akin is Hawaiian pizza. Namimiss niya lang. So, ang ginawa ko, wala ako choice. So, kakain ako ng pizza din. Hindi kami mag-cook kasi nga, yung cook ay lagi na lang. So, diabetes. What is that? Ay, hindi. Guys, kain tayo. Ito na lang ang aming dinner. Magmukbang daw kami ng pizza. This is not spicy. Hindi spicy ang kanyang in-order. Why do you don't get the spicy one? Dalawa o tatlo yata ang makakain ko na lang. Ako lang dito sa pizza na to. Masarap kumain sa pizza. Yung minsan-minsan lang. Yung kung saan mag-cravings ka. Mayroon din siya tubig. Yung mga bata umalis, nag-ride sila kaya baka doon sa labas sila kain. So, ang nawalan namin, nag-order ng pizza. Vlog. Huh? What can you say about this Domino's Pizza?
It's good. Okay.
It's okay, it's good, it's alright.
Yeah. Okay.
Hmm?
That's good.
Hmm?
That's good.
Masarap yung Domino's Pizza. No? Masarap. Delicious. So, try ko ang kumain ng pepperoni. It's not spicy, so I like this. But I like the Hawaiian.
Oh, that's okay.
Hawaiian is nice too. Hindi ko maubos, hindi ko maano. Pero kung di ba lang ang makain ko. For me, I can finish 3 slices only.
I think so.
Sabi niya, siya naman to. You can eat like whole pizza.
Sometimes.
But why you eat this? Naubos na kayo niya. Aking dalawa dito na kain ko. Tapos kumuha ko ng isa. You still have here. You finish your water. So, itong baso namin, bottle ng Sito. Ito lagi niya naubos ng ilang bottle. How many bottle can you drink in the bottles can you drink in one day like this?
4, maybe.
So,
Depends.
depends. Sometimes we drink 4 bottles of Sito. And
4 bottles of water.
how many ml this one?
Like
Like 1,000?
Yeah.
So 1,000 ml. Supposed to be like how many glass? 8 glass of water.
Yeah.
So how many glass this one in one bottle?
Maybe
Maybe
3 or
4.
4. 3 or 4 maybe.
Depends. I think 4. If small glass is 4,
Yeah.
maybe we can put 3, 6. So
9.
9. So 3 bottles. You drink 3
Nine.
bottles sometimes, and then sometimes is 4. So more than that.
12.
8 glass, like 12 glass. See? Kaya kayo din guys, uminom kayo ng tubig araw-araw ng more than 8 glass. So, maintain lang ba ang ating katawan para malayo sa sakit. Oh, you still have, you can try.
Oh,
No?
I'm full.
So, naubos ng kanya guys. Akin ay 4 pa natira. So, ang mukbang namin ay hindi maubos-ubos ang pizza. Pero ang kanya lang pala naubos ang akin. Hindi ko maubos-ubos. So, thank you for watching. What you can say? You can say too.
Say what?
You can say for the
Thank you
vlog.
for watching.
That's it.
Yeah.
See? You are weak
I'm weak.
when you say that. After finish, you eat the pizza.
I'm full.
Okay, busog na daw siya. Okay guys, bye-bye.